Get ready, pals! Something wild is stirring at the zoo. Stay tuned and hit that subscribe button for lots of fun. Zookeepers up and at 'em. Animal transport time. Hop on, folks! Let's roll with the zoo crew!
Let's go!
Oopsie daisy! Zoo crew took a tumble. What's gonna happen now?
Let me call someone to help. No one answered the phone.
Hold on to your hats! The zoo crew's got a train coming their way! Down goes the train! The situation is getting more and more chaotic!
Hey, you!
What's up?
There was a serious accident.
The crane truck and the fire truck are up and at 'em! Time to lend a hand, guys! Okay, team, first things first. Let's tackle that fiery fiesta!
I will put out the fire now.
Hooray! The fire is wearing down! Awesome job, fire truck!
Okay, please take them out of the hole.
Okay.
Now it's the crane truck's time to shine. Let's work together, team, and get everyone out of this pickle! Not forgetting our zookeeper. They're getting a rescue, too.
We must rebuild the bridge.
Time for a power move! Teams gearing up to gather materials and build a super strong bridge! And let's not forget about the railway track! The base is all set. It's looking much sturdier now. Our beloved cement truck is here. Let's make the bridge stronger. Mixing sand and dirt in, and it is good to go. Now that's what I call a beautiful railway bridge.
Easy does it. Whoa! Perfect drop. Oh no, it exploded. It's broken.
Oh no!
What's going on? Stop!
Oh no!
Move over! Ouch! Out of the way. Can't stop.
Oh no! The cars fell into the hole after the explosion. This shows accidents can happen anytime, so always be careful.
Help! Somebody help us.
Luckily, the crane truck is here just in time.
I'm here. Hurry up!
Okay!
You first. Safe.
The crane lifts the monster truck out first. What a relief.
Pull harder.
Next, the big truck is rescued safely.
So heavy. Everyone okay?
Okay!
There's a big hole. Need a bridge team. Quick.
Hey, hello. Let's get started.
The construction team got the call and is rushing here.
This is the deck. Side rails ready. Let's go.
All vehicles arrive and rebuild the railway. Teamwork can solve any
Hello, come
problem.
here. Amazing.
Strong Lego blocks are stacked to build the pillars.
One done. All done. Solid now. Easy.
A wooden board is placed to form the bridge deck.
There. Ready to pour.
The cement truck pours cement. When accidents
Nice and
happen,
smooth.
stay calm and find solutions.
La 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 la.
Done. Side rails. Welded tight.
Finally, the rails are joined into a new track. Remember, safety always comes first.
Wonderful. All set. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. The objects that easily cause fire don't leave indiscriminately.
Hello, everyone. Have a wonderful day filled with peace and joy.
Just a little prank.
Oh no, so shaky.
OMG, what just happened?
What?
Is someone trying to destroy the police base?
Oh
My house.
Oh no, the base has been destroyed.
Let's
But
go.
look, the police officer doesn't give up. He's already finding a way to rebuild his home. Everyone here is peaceful and joyful.
Guys, please help me rebuild. Let's do it. I'll bring bricks. I'll bring sand. I'll pour the base. I'll lift the roof. Let's go.
Okay!
The construction team is on the way. Let's see how they rebuild the brand new police base.
Great.
Okay!
Bricks here.
This time they're making it stronger and safer, even using bricks for extra support.
Okay!
Here's the floor. Pour the cement.
Look at that! Such professionalism. Working together always brings the best results.
Okay!
Smooth it out.
La 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 la.
Okay!
careful. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm here.
Okay.
Wow, amazing. Put up the sign.
Wow, the new base is finished, and it looks amazing. Hard work truly pays off. Look how happy the police officer is. This shows us that no matter what happens, never give up hope.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Gotcha. Please let me go.
Don't play with fireworks. It's very dangerous.
Look, a small bridge over the river, but it has train tracks. Look, there are 3 prohibition signs. Everyone on the road, be sure to pay attention to the signs. The bridge shakes as the train passes. It doesn't seem very strong.
No motorized vehicles allowed, but I really need to cross quickly. Well, maybe crossing just this once won't hurt. I can do it.
Oh no! He's going for it! Can the bridge hold the weight?
Help me! Help me!
The bridge collapses! The truck and cargo fall into the river! Oh no! The tracks have fallen too! A train is coming!
Oh my god! Help me! Help me!
Help, help, help me.
Cries for help fill the air, but who will come to the rescue?
Help, help, hurry up, hurry up.
Huh? OMG, what happened?
Help, help, hurry up, hurry up.
OMG, this is terrible. Let me call for rescue.
The policeman arrives, sees the disaster, and quickly calls for rescue.
Hello, what's up?
Hey, hello. I need your help. There's been an accident by the riverbank.
Okay, got it. We're on our way.
They rush off to the rescue.
OMG, this is terrible.
Let me save everyone.
The crane lowers its hook and pulls with all its strength to lift the truck.
Yahoo, thank you very much.
Look! The crane has lifted the train off the broken bridge.
We need to rebuild the bridge for the railway and for vehicles to cross.
Okay.
Are they gonna rebuild the bridge? Look, the truck is bringing materials to rebuild the bridge. The The hands are placing strong plastic panels on the new bridge.
Wow, so beautiful.
Ta-da! The new bridge is complete. Now it's much safer.
Always follow traffic signs. When you see a no entry sign, choose the correct path to protect yourself and others around you.
Come on, come on!
Oh no, train is coming.
Help! Hey, what happened? Oh my God!
Meanwhile. Team, get ready for action.
Let's roll out. Transform! Please here, keep calm.
Transform! I'll lift everyone to safety.
Transform! It's action time!
Stop here, let's start the rescue. Hey!
Let me help you.
Oh my gosh! Come on, you can do it!
Oh yeah!
Thank you.
Hey!
Amazing!
Luckily, you guys arrived in time.
Oh yeah!
You fix the road, I will separate traffic. Do not enter this area.
Okay. Let's go! Here, here! Okay already!
Good job!
Please take another route.
Let's get started. I come here. Pouring cement, glug, glug, glug. Five minutes later. Finally done! Go, go, go!
Bye, have a great time!
For a safer journey.
Let's go!
It's so hot.
The fan is exploding.
Oh my God!
Bing bang! Emergency! Calling the rescue team now.
5 minutes later. It's action time! Transform! Firefighter, ready to roll!
Transform! Messy again. Oh dear.
Transform.
Transform! Please here, keep calm.
1 hour later.
We'll build giant windmills to cool everyone down.
Lifting the poles now.
Let's go!
Yo, 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 yo!
Come on, come on!
10 years later.
Hey!
Cooling the ground with water.
Five minutes later.
Digging the foundation holes.
Hello! Cement is coming.
I'll clean up the construction site.
Here we go!
Let's build clean and sustainable energy together.